So this is in New York City. It's not that bad, but there are areas in which you're trying to get onto the sidewalk and it's so slushy that there's a lot of water, and then you have to, you know, go into the puddles. But it's going to get colder, so all this is going to become ice. This morning it was really slippery. And look at all the garbage up there. I don't know when they're going to be picking that up. That building was burned maybe about a year ago now, or a little bit over. So they renovated that. So then these are the new trash containers. I think they came up with this because of the rats. But there is still other trash out, so the rats are always going to be around. Sometimes I walk around here and one just comes from there to out here. They're all over the place. All over the place. I gotta catch a bus, but it's not any of those. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I'm gonna go put on my gloves. I don't want to be without my gloves. It's too cold. Alright, thank you for watching.